In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google and Yay Text to create stylish underlined text that will make your messages stand out. Whether you're looking to spice up your social media posts, add flair to your digital documents, or simply want to learn something new, this guide has got you covered. So let's dive right in and explore the steps you'll need to follow to master this neat little trick. First things first, while the guide might suggest a starting point unrelated to the process, like visiting WhatsApp, the real magic begins with Google. So, open up your preferred internet browser and head over to Google. It's as simple as typing www.google.com into your browser's address bar and hitting enter. Once there, you're ready to kick off this creative adventure. Next, you'll want to conduct a search that will lead you to the right tools for the job. In the search bar, type in text underline, and then press enter. Google will work its magic and in seconds present you with a plethora of options to choose from. Now, amongst these results, you're looking for something very specific: the Unicode underline tool. You'll recognize it by its offer to create underlined text using Unicode characters, making your text look like underline. This clever use of characters can create the visual effect of underlining without altering the font or style directly. Once you've found the Unicode underline tool, click on it to proceed. This will take you to a new web page dedicated to helping you transform your plain text into something more visually intriguing with that underlined effect. And this is where the creative process truly begins. Upon arriving at the Unicode Underline Tools page, you'll find a simple interface waiting for you. Here your task is pretty straightforward. Type in the text that you wish to underline. There's no limit to your imagination here. It could be a single word, a catchy phrase, or even a full sentence. Whatever your heart desires, type it into the box provided. After you've entered your desired text, it's nearly time to bring it to life. With your text eagerly waiting in the box, the next step is to turn it into underlined art. Look for the copy button. This might seem like an inconsequential step, but it's your key to unlocking creative text usage across various platforms. Click on copy to grab your newly styled text. At this point, you've successfully created underlined text using Unicode characters, all with the help of Google and Yay Text. But what next? Well, the world's your oyster. You can now paste this text anywhere that supports Unicode characters, whether it's adding a flair to your social media bios, posts, digital invitations, or even spicing up documents. Your underlined text is sure to catch the eye. Remember, the beauty of using Unicode characters for text decoration lies in its compatibility and simplicity. You don't need fancy software or extensive graphic design skills. All you need is a bit of curiosity and the willingness to explore the creative potential of Unicode text effects. As we wrap up this guide, I encourage you to experiment with underlining various texts and discover the different ways you can incorporate this technique into your digital communication. It's a fun, simple and effective method to add personality to your text, and now you know exactly how to do it. So there you have it. You've just learned how to create underlined text using Google and Yay Text. I hope this guide inspires you to play around with your digital text and perhaps discover even more creative text styling tools out there. Thank you for following along, and don't forget to put your new skills into practice. Happy text decorating.